Alright, so I'm back. uh, I actually just go through the BIOS, could not find the virtualization, so I ended up searching for it. It's a bit trickier. It's not listed like virtualization or hypervisor. It's since it's a AMD build, it's a Ryzen 7 build. It's a AMD board, gigabyte yeah, basically AMD chipset, but the gigabyte board, so I had to search for it, and it's under SVM. So I enable it, and now I'm gonna run and see if it works. So let's do it. Hyper-V Manager, and click start. Continue. Is it going to start or not? And still the same error. Even though I have enabled it, it's saying the same error. Okay, it failed again. And it says that if you have enabled either setting, I did, you must turn off the system power to the physical computer. At that I did not do. I just restarted it. So it's saying resetting the physical computer is not sufficient. So I guess I have to totally shut it off. Let's do that. Alright, see you in the next video. Trial and error.